Garfield McKoy, welcome to Profile.
Yeah, it's a pleasure.
So I just call you Garfield McKoy, but the name that most people, or a lot of people, would know you by is Ricky Trooper, legendary DJ and sound system owner from Jamaica, born in Mount Regale, St. Mary, and grew up around sound systems. So started with Coptic International, then Creation Rock River, joined Kilimanjaro Sound System. Rock Tower, sorry. Then joined Kilimanjaro Sound System in 1988. Then there was a big 1995 clash. We'll talk a little bit about that. That gained you international recognition and have built a career on that, and also on related areas as well. In fact, the Magnificent Troopers band that is, well known across the country, I would say, and the world, and has done amazing work there. You've traveled worldwide, including Canada, the United States, United Kingdom, Africa, and Europe. And you also work with youth, as I said, through the drum corps and the St. Jude's marching band. When you listen to all of these different kind of things, what do you think? How does it feel to have accomplished all of these different kind of things? Well,
it's just a feeling like, God give you a gift. So I got a gift from God to do the music. And as I grew up, I'm a people person. I love kids. I love community movements and stuff like that. So that's put in the work,
And since that question of community there, let's go back to how what you're doing now relates to how you grew up. Working in sound system and related areas and entertainment overall, I would say, not just sound system. But that was also partly what you grew up seeing. Explain.
Well, it was a situation like this, as a kid, the sound system was the first love, because I was born in Montreal, and it was a home delivery. So the year of me born, all of the dance and keep. So as a youth now, I grew up, I say, the sound systems, them are going and come out of the yard, so I get the love for that. And then after I migrated from St. Mary and went to Spanish Town to live now, I saw, one evening I heard some drums playing, and I saw this band, a march past. I'm gonna get for love that movement too. So both of them just start intertwined. Cause I just love the band thing. I just love the sound thing.
And you said the sound. This was something that you were working on from when you were 10.
Yeah, I started playing a sound system, Coptic, from I was 10 years old.
When you said playing a sound system, what do you mean?
Working.
As in playing actual music,
yeah,
not just helping like set up and things like that.
Yeah, I played the sound. I was a selector. So the owner for the sound system now, by the name of Copy, they used to call him Copy and the Sony Coptic, He was the one who like taught me how to play the music, At a tender age, I could read early. So it was no problem for can, know the selections.
And this was something that was encouraged by your mother, because this is a point at which you had moved out of St. Mary, gone to Spanish Town, Wellington Street. Mm-hmm. People know St. Catherine, that's right in the center of this.
Yeah, right in the heart of
Spanish Town. And this was something that was encouraged by your mother. She also loved music.
Yeah, because my mother now, she was a person who like, was my biggest influencer at that time. Because my mother, she used to love the sound system thing. She used to love go dance too. And she knows I love the sound system thing. So usually if certain sound system I come play in a Spanish Town area, I'm going to listen to that sound. She used to carry me go to the dance early, but I see how the sound set up and listen to the sound for a while, and they say, I have to go home now. And when she feel me gone home, I still, hide somewhere outside of the venue and I listen. So till daylight and try to reach home before she reach. You see me? So she was the one who was like my tower strength. Because at that time, no father wasn't there. I never have a father, So me was like the father in the house there with my rest of 4 siblings. Because I'm the second child from my mother. I'm the oldest boy. Because I have one sister before me. So my little money with me I make now, the money they come in and I help run the house and I send me to school and them thing there.
At 10?
Yeah.
At 10?
Yeah. Then I go up.
So this is doing this at 10 while attending St. Catherine Primary School and then going on to St. Catherine High School. Mm-hmm. How are you doing the two things? How are you're doing school in the day and then doing sound system? How are you doing the two?
Yeah, because the sound usually play a weekend, like sometimes Thursday. Maybe sometimes we get a Thursday down, but usually it was like a Friday and Saturday. Mm-hmm. And, not so much on a Sunday. But the thing was, you love it and work. So you have to just, you have to just know or to just deal with it. It never was a problem.
So we decided to leave school now. How does this sound system feature in the future?
Well, the thing was, a kid I got to school, and maybe they want to be a doctor, they want to be a lawyer, but just love the music, but just love sound system business.
What about it? What was so?
It just like you just born for something, you just feel it. It's when God ordained you for do something, When I used to go to St. Catherine, I had a friend who all he talk about was to become a soldier. And he not really spend a whole heap of time I deal with him books and academical stuff. As him graduates, he go straight in the army, he just want to be a soldier. So me the music was just something, I just love the music, I just love sound system business. I don't care where the sound system was. After a while, me just start go and listen all the great sound system them. I don't know which great sound system come out of Jamaica that I have never listened to.
So you leave school and decide that this is something you definitely want.
Yes, that I want to do. Because from the age of 10, I have never done a 9 to 5, I've never done a 9 to 5 all my life at the music. I played a little sound system by the name of Volume 1. Captic was a bigger sound than Volume 1. Then after Volume 1, we use the equipment from Captic and we built a little small soul sound in Spanish Town by the name of Ultimate Touch. So after Ultimate Touch now, the guy who used to control Ultimate Touch with me, he was migrating. And then I say, yo, I can't manage to run a sound by myself. So then last part of catching I know. So I started DJ and get a rock and creation rock tour. I'm a DJ and creation rock tour for certain years with Papa San, the late great Dirtsman, Bonnie General and those people. And then now I went to Kilimanjaro after that as a DJ. And I DJ on Kilimanjaro for certain years until I started playing the sound system.
No, that experience with Kilimanjaro is one of the big turning points in your life. And I want to talk a little bit about that, as well as a couple of other turning points in Garfield McKoy's life. But we have to take our first break on Profile. Back with you after these messages.